Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you how to fix your RAM. First, in order to fix your RAM, you need to know what RAM does. What RAM does is it stores viruses in its nodules. What nodules are these black things that is on the RAM itself. From the factory, these nodules come empty with no viruses, but after time, eventually your computer accumulates viruses which will eventually fill up these nodules, and in turn they need to be removed. But don't worry, after a while these nodules will grow back. Today I'll show you the process of how to remove these nodules. Now let's begin. As you can see, only a light tap is required to remove the nodules. Occasionally, if they do come off a little bit tough, you're able to use a lighter and slowly heat up the corner of the RAM to loosen up the nodules. Then, after removing the nodules, rinsing off the RAM will complete the process. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.